Hey, this is Quad. Welcome back to episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a wall charger. If you can see, the one that we got right here is from a brand called Anker, and this is one of the newest products from the 7 series, which has a brand new technology with the GaNPrime. If you can see, for the one that we got right here, it's called a 737. And at the bottom right here, they do probably got some of the specs and features on the product. So pretty much for this wall charger is really powerful, much more powerful than the previous version, which is like the 65 watts option. This one is 120, which is enough for you guys to recharge like your MacBook Pro. And on top of all that, it does have a brand new technology, which is Power IQ 4.0. And basically what that does is help you guys spread out like the charging option. So let's say for example, if you guys are charging your laptop and your phone at the same time, it will spread out the charge to charge your phone much faster and then slows down the charge on your laptop. But once you finish charging your phone, it will transfer that charging speed onto your actual laptop. So that's actually pretty cool. And you can see in the back part right here, they do probably got some more specs and features on the product as well. So they do mention how the product does have an Active Shield 2.0, and that is basically protection that's built in, so that way when you guys do leave it charging overnight, you don't have to worry about it being overcharged or anything else. So that is basically what the product looks like when you guys first get it. Let me just open up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So let's peel the strip in the back. If you guys open up, here is basically what the product looks like inside. But if you guys take this part out, right underneath that, you see there's a bunch of more stuff. So inside they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And right here they do provide guys instruction to teach you guys how to use the little accessory that's provided for you guys inside. And the reason why they provide guys accessory is so that way when you guys do plug in the wall outlet, it won't fall out. And the way how they do that is by using suction cup in the back to stick it onto the wall, which is pretty cool. So I'll show you guys how to use that in a second. But right here, you can see we do have the actual product. You can see how it's all neatly wrapped up and it's brand new. So let's take up all these wrappers first. And let's peel out this part as well. Once you guys peel it out, here is basically what the product looks like on the side. You can see we do have the brand logo. And right here it does mention how it does have the brand new GaNPrime technology. In the front part right here, you can see we do have 2 USB-C options and 1 USB option. The top one is designed for you guys to use it for a laptop, so like a MacBook Pro or MacBook Air. And the bottom one is you can use it for like iPhone or any other device. Like I mentioned for the product, when you guys do use it, the max watt that's on here is 120 watts. So that's more than enough power for you guys to recharge like a MacBook Pro if you guys do want to. And if you guys turn it back right here, we do have the wall outlet or the wall plug. And I love the way how the design is, it's like a foldable design. So that way the product is actually very compact and very minimal. And if you guys look carefully in the back right here, they do probably got the specs in terms of input and output on here when you guys do use it. And if you guys notice, the size of the product is pretty long, and that is basically why they provide guys a little accessory, because when you guys do plug it into a wall outlet or like a power strip or something, it might fall down because of the weight that's on here. But once you guys do put this inside right here, that will basically help you guys hold it in place, so that way it won't fall off as easy, which is pretty cool. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to plug it in to show you guys how to set this up, and then we'll actually test it out to show you guys how it works. So right here I do have my Anker power strip. So once you guys plug it in, you can see it is pretty sturdy, but once you guys start plugging cable inside right here, this is what will happen. So we'll bring it down. So this is basically where the accessory will come in handy. So if you guys stick this in, you basically want to stick it in all the way until the suction cup is holding on to the actual product. And when you guys try to pull it down, there's less of a chance of it falling down. But in order for you guys to use the suction cup option, it does depend on the material that's on the actual wall outlet. So definitely really cool how they do provide guys that option to give you guys a much more secure fit and a stable connection as well. But now let's test it out to show you guys how it works and when it actually works. So for this test, I'll probably just plug in 2 outlets to show you guys when it actually works. But you do have the option to plug in all 3 if you guys do want to. But for the first cable one, plug in a USB-C option. And the cable that I'm using right now is from the Anker brand. This is the power line flow. So if you guys do connect it onto your phone, that does work. And then for the other one, we'll test out a USB option. So if you guys do plug it in, and we see that works as well. And then obviously for the last one, if you guys want to connect it onto your laptop or something, you definitely can. Because like I mentioned, for this one, it is 120 watts, which is more than enough power for you guys to recharge the laptop and also your phone at the same time if you guys do want to. And I do want to mention, in order for you to get the fastest charging speed on here, your percentage on your device needs to be pretty low. Basically the lower is, the faster it can charge. But once it reaches like 80% or anywhere higher than that, it does slow down the charge because it does not want to overcharge your phone. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now that we can unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it's pretty worth it if you guys want my lead warranties, especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality wall charger. They give you guys the same kind of output that's on here and the same amount of power. That also has the brand new GaN technology, so that way you can charge the device much faster and safer as well. Then I do have to say that it's pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have warranties, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.